Assalamu alaikum, myself Azad from Review Jinky. How are you guys doing today? Well guys, today we are unboxing a Drakkar Intense by Laroche. As you know, this one is supposed to be the best barbershop vibe kind of a fragrance. Boozy, spicy, I have no idea. Let's unbox it and we'll give a test and check it out in my honest review video I'll be providing soon, inshallah. And okay, how to open this thing just pisses me off, really. Okay, there you go. Laroche Drakkar Intense. The entire review will be on my channel, so subscribe and hit the bell icon button.